Good morning, Mariners. This is going to be a quick review on the process of creating linear patterns, as if you were going to create something like this rack of windows on this wall. So I'm going to right click and go around the other side, click the back of the view cube, straighten myself out here and zoom in to the bottom tier here, where I will click that surface and hit sketch, or hit sketch and then select the surface that you're going to draw on. And we're going to use a corner rectangle tool, which is the first, and you want to make sure you're not using a center point for this one, but drag from the bottom left corner up in the bottom left area of every wall, because the patterning is going to go to the right and up, which is going to make your life a little bit easier. All right, so then you have to select this linear pattern tool. You turn that on, and then you have to select what you're going to linear pattern. The easiest way to do this is to just drag over everything. If you click up here and pull across all of that stuff, it'll select all 4 lines and create 3 of them, and begin your pattern process. So you can double click on this number 3 and change it to whatever you want it to be, depending on how much space you think you've got and how big your windows are. And then you're going to use the arrow points. Try not to grab this box. If you do, it's going to give you the ability to change the angle of this line, and you don't want that. You want it to stay straight and horizontal line. So just grab the arrows to do the spacing and eyeball it, and then you're going to probably zoom out is the best way to do this, and then decide, all right, maybe I can fit 9 of these going up. You can grab this arrow, I can maybe fit 10 going up. So I double click on that 9, change it to 10, add another one. Depends on what looks best. Try and stay consistent from wall to wall, but that's not super important because you're all learning this stuff just at the beginning. So the precision isn't important. It's understanding the workflows and how the program thinks, so you can start to use it as best you possibly can. And so after that, you hit this. After you set up your pattern and you're happy with what it looks like, you hit the extrude button. What I want you to do is hit remove, and then hit 1, and just make those windows pop in a little bit. Now you're going to have to select those windows by clicking on the sketch the windows were in, which is sketch 7. We just drew it to make those windows. And that all said and done, you get a nice pattern of windows. And then you can right click on the window, extrude, add appearance to the feature, and select the lighter color. So I'm going to do this one more time really quickly up here, just to repeat the process. Again, you can sketch, choose the surface you want to draw on, creates the sketch. We're on sketch 10 now. Click on the cube to straighten the part out. Pull out the shape of a window, click the linear pattern tool, select the sketched pattern, or what you want to pattern, update the number, going across, use the arrow, the space, well, try 8. I'll leave it that way because that looks fine with me. Hit the 3D extrude button, click remove, change the depth to 1, and click on sketch 10 down here on the left side to select the windows. And it will be done. When you hit the check mark, right click on the extrude, change the appearance color, give it some contrast. The natural view, just review this. If you're looking at the top and you click the bottom right corner of the top view, that's the way the program orientation is at the beginning when you open it up. So that'll get you back to the what I call the natural view, or the normal view that they send you when you launch a part studio. All right, so that's linear patterning. Next video up is going to be lofting in a vertical aligning situation. So see you soon. Bye.